Hi, and welcome to one of the most important laparoscopic skills, which is needle handling and needle positioning. These skills are essential and will greatly benefit you during laparoscopic surgery if mastered. Let's begin with the correct needle positioning. You hold the needle 2/3 from the tip, just as in surgery. But how can we ensure that the needle is positioned correctly in our needle holder? The key lies in the light reflection on the part of the needle closest to the camera. When we point the needle away from the camera, you will see that the light reflection is on the back of the needle, indicating that the needle is now pointing towards the tissue. As we move the needle, you'll notice that the light reflection also moves along the needle. Using this information, we know how the needle is positioned in our needle holder. Now that we understand how the needle appears in the needle holder, the next crucial step is needle handling. It is by picking up the needle approximately 1/3 from the tip using our left grasper while we hold the suture itself with our needle holder. Keep holding with our left grasper and we move the needle around using our needle holder. This way we can maneuver the needle with ease. Another essential component is to rotate the grasper around its axis. This enables changing the needle's position in a 3D plane. By combining rotation of the axis, moving the suture, you can position the needle as you desire. So now let's put this into practice. What we see here is the needle track task. We'll position the needle. The needle holder right now is in a forehand position. And you see that I can also move the needle around and place it in a backward position. By mastering these technical skills, laparoscopic suturing becomes a lot easier. So now with these skills, we can put a needle in a forehand position, pass it through the second loop. Afterwards, we can position the needle in a backhand position, pass it through the third loop. Make sure to master these skills, practicing a lot, either by completing needle track and the laparoscopic suturing and knot tying task, or by just practicing positioning and handling the needle. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.